morning, doggy. He doesn't like this one. It's vanilla and cinnamon. He changed his mind.
You ready to get up? Oh, good boy. Welcome back. This is week 4 of my new contract, and today is a day off. So we thought that we would show you a day in the life of Loki. The last time we filmed a day with Loki, we were still partially living in the house. So we're going to show you what it's like to have a dog when you live in a van full time. You have to have space for all of their things. This is where Loki keeps most of his belongings. He has a safety vest, his raincoat, a long rope so we can tie him if we're somewhere safe. His leash we keep here. All of his toys in his bed, but he prefers the chair. Do you want to show them where we keep his food and toothbrushes?
Mm-hmm.
We keep his food under here and his toothbrushes there. It's a little tight for space in the van, so we make him eat and drink in the shower area, which works for us because if he dribbles water, it just stays in the shower. He also has one of his own cubbies. So here we have basically lots of snacks. We have more bags for poop. We have trazodone in case he gets scared or antsy. We've got some heart guard and next guard in there, and some joint supplements. So we make sure he has everything he needs on the road, and we take him to Petco or PetSmart with us when we need to get him new things. He likes to go to those places. Right, Loki? Right now, he's just waiting for us so he can go out for his morning walk.
Mandy had to work late last night, so we just ended up parking on the side of the street, but it's right near a rail trail, which is somewhere down there, so we're gonna go for a walk.
Medicine. Good boy. Do you guys want to see how Loki helps me on laundry day? He stays here, out of the way. Except now there's peanut butter, so...
We are at Ahern State Park, and that lake right there through the trees is Winnisquam.
We're in Laconia.
This is Mandy's one-day weekend, so we're just hanging out with Dog for the day.
Wednesday.
Yeah, and tomorrow you gotta be back to work.
We just finished hiking and Loki doesn't want to come in. So I gave him some peanuts. Because he likes peanuts. And that gets him in the van. I saved some for me.
High five.
We just got to camp and now Loki's doing his hungry dance. He's like an old man and he wants to eat at like 4 o'clock, but we usually try to make him wait until 5:30. It's about
5:12.
5:12. Good job.
Sit.
After Loki eats, he usually gets on the couch to see what we're cooking. But I think today, Loki, you can hang out outside. What do you want? I don't have anything to give you. Sorry. Sometimes we get everything set up for the dog to hang out outside, and he just wants to be in the van. He doesn't even have his bed in here. But apparently he found his own old Kong ball. We found this sweet campsite next to the Connecticut River. It's pretty nice.
You can see the river through there, but you can't really, you can't get to it because it's, well, I'll just show you. There's this sweet path that runs between the campsites and the river, but the whole shoreline of the river is pretty overgrown like this. There's these neat little signs that tell you about birds. And the view all the way at the end has one about bald eagles. So it's like, how neat is that? I just took the first bite. What?
Of what?
Whatever this slop is that you made me.
Butter chicken.
It's actually wicked good.
Did Loki have a bite?
I think her secret is she talks shit about it the whole time she's cooking it, and then it, even if it comes out okay, you'll think it's amazing because the bar is so low.
If you guys are thinking about doing van life with a dog, just know that it can be tough. It's hard to find dog-friendly activities depending on where you are, and most of them are outside, but it's totally worth it. I mean, look at him. He's just so cozy. He loves being with us. We don't leave him in the van alone too often. He does have a little bit of separation anxiety, but the temperature is perfectly fine for him to be in there for a short time. Probably even longer now because it's fall in New England. But he's always so happy when we get back to the van. Loki knows that Rob is packaging up the rest of the foods, so he wants to go in the van. Hello? He heard you scraping. So we were just hanging out by the fire and Loki barked at me, so I think that's his cue that he wants to go inside and go to bed. Loki, do you want to go upstairs? Do you want to get in bed? So we put his seat on number 3. So that makes his ramp. So he can go upstairs. Do you want your toothbrush? You want to brush your teeth? Hang on. Toothbrush for the dog. You want it? You gotta go get in bed. Go on. Good boy. Good night, Loki. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Thanks for watching. If you guys like us or you just like Loki, let us know. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. And thanks for stopping by.